In the dense jungles of Central and South America, legends speak of a bird whose cries foretell doom. Its name echoes through the canopy, the Screaming Piha. This seemingly innocuous bird is renowned for its unmistakable, piercing call that can be heard from kilometers away. But why does this melodic creature garner such fear and reverence? Ancient tribes believed its cry was a harbinger of misfortune, an omen warning of impending danger or death. While modern science dismisses these tales as myths, the Piha's vocalizations remain a haunting reminder of nature's untamed mystery. The bird's scream serves as nature's haunting soundtrack, both captivating and chilling. Whether myth or reality, the Screaming Piha continues to be a symbol of nature's enigmatic side, reminding us of the world's ancient stories and timeless secrets.